Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, USB board, subwoofer, fan, RJ45 door, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal: remove the 4mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the top cover. Remove the tab on the power connector bracket from the notch in the top cover. Remove the power connector from its position on the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the power connector into position on the top cover. Tow the tab on the power connector bracket into the notch on the top cover and lower it into position on the power connector. Replace the 4mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the top cover.